and welcome back to my channel, Shelly's Millions, where you'll join me on my journey towards becoming a millionaire. One of the things that I love about making money is anything that is free. So when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't even know if it was okay.
Also, I don't know if I can do this, but I'm obviously not being paid for this since this is my first video, but I notice a lot of YouTubers that I'm inspired by, they're always like linking to things below and that you get a little extra something something. So if you're not already investing and you want to use an easy platform, I'm using Webull.
But I started mentioning get your 2 free stocks with Webull, and I shared my link in the description down below, and that has been fairly successful for me. So I wanted to share in this video how much I've made from Webull free bonus stocks and how much I made through YouTube and compare the two. Let me know in the comments down below. At this point in the video, do you think I made more from YouTube in my first 3 months or from my Webull bonus stock referrals? Something that I think is kind of cool is that because I'm not actually sponsored by Webull, I'm just using the same promotion that is available to anyone out there. I can share my numbers. I think if I were technically sponsored by Webull, I'm not sure if I would be allowed to share these numbers. So I'm really glad that I'm able to share this information with you guys. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Hit the notification bell. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, which helps a small growing channel like mine, and I appreciate it. When you're first starting off on YouTube, one of the things that you hear a lot is that before you're monetized, you can make money from affiliate marketing or partnerships or sponsorships. And some of those things include getting people to sign up using your Webull link, your Robinhood link. If you leave links to the kind of equipment you're filming on, you can be an Amazon affiliate. Some people are affiliates with TubeBuddy. All of those things can generate additional streams of revenue before you're even monetized on YouTube. So I definitely started mentioning Webull from day one, which was March 28th of 2020. And here's how it's done for me. Since I started so late in March with the channel, I'm not going to be including that towards counting a month on YouTube. So I uploaded videos the whole month of April, and of course I was not monetized yet, but in May I was, and in June I was. So this will cover the months though of April, May, and June, so that's the 3-month time period that I am looking at. And in May, my first monetized month, I made $608.33 from YouTube. And in May, from Webull bonus stock free referrals, I made $170. So for just the month of May, which was the first month that anybody used my referral link, so I didn't have any money from Webull in April either, I technically made more on YouTube. I made $438.23 more on YouTube. And most of my stocks ranged between $12 and $14. My highest one was $29.31. In June, as I got a little bit more subscribers and my videos did a little bit better, I made $914.34 from YouTube. And that's of course before expenses, because there are some expenses when you're doing a YouTube channel. Even though I started off on my phone and everything, I ended up buying a little bit of equipment. And from stock referrals, I made $90.82. And again, those stocks were in the $12 to $14 range. So I made $823.52 more on YouTube. But, however, Webull is always running like some kind of extra promotion. Right now, they have a promotion. It's like the summer promotion. And for everyone that you refer, you get a raffle ticket to win a share of KO, which is Coca-Cola, and right now it's valued at about $46. So they're always running some sort of promotion like that. And in the month of June, they were running a promotion where for every referral that you gave them that completed all the steps, like by making their initial deposit of $100, you got a raffle ticket to win a share of Google. And that's fluctuating. I think at the time it was worth $1,371.61. I ended up with 4 raffle tickets and one of them totally won. So if you're wondering if Webull really gives out those stocks that are valued up to $1,400, I didn't get it from just like a bonus referral, but I did win one through their special 2-year anniversary promotion. So that hit on June 29th. So just to recap, in April I got 0 from YouTube, 0 from my Webull referrals, and in May I got $608.33 from YouTube and $170 from Webull. June was $914.34 from YouTube and $90.82 from Webull, which brings the total to $1,632.43 from Webull, and I made $1,522.67 from YouTube. So that means I made $109.76 more from promoting Webull than I did with my YouTube channel. So if you're thinking about adding affiliate links, I would definitely recommend it. It doesn't really hurt anything, and it can be a great way to get a little extra money. Now, of course, with the stocks, they are not worth anything until I actually sell them, cash them out, and I am the type of investor, I like to just kind of hold on to the stocks for the long term and see what they do. So it's not money in my pocket right now, but it is still pretty cool. I am a member of both Webull and Robinhood, and there are some things that I like about Robinhood, but in terms of promotions and free bonus stocks, right now you just can't beat Webull. And I'm gonna, of course, leave my link in the description down below. After you make an initial deposit of $100, you get 2 free stocks, one of which could be worth up to $1,400. If you use my link, please let me know in the comments down below which 2 free stocks you got. I only trade right now on Robinhood and Webull. I know there's some other programs out there that might offer you guys bonus stocks. So if you guys want me to sign up and get you some bonus stocks or whatever the promotions are through like M1 Finance or Acorns or whatever else is out there that you might get a bonus if I sign up using your link, go ahead and drop your links in the comments down below and maybe I'll sign up using your link. All right, I hope that you guys found this interesting. I hope that you guys are excited to know that Webull does give out those $1,400 stocks. And that's it for me today. I upload videos on Mondays and Thursdays, and I'll see you next time.